Okay, boys and girls, we're going to be looking at euro dollar today for Jack. Little salute to you. Now, it's not the best market in the world. In fact, today will be pretty slim pickings. It's a 4-pip move to the upper side. Now, one of my rule sets is if it's under a 70, 75 pip ATR, I don't normally trade it, but euro dollar cable, they're kind of exceptions to the rule. Simply because they move every single day. And also, I said I would do it. So here we are. Glutton for punishment. Glutton for punishment. Now, I've already done a full breakdown of this for them here. But I also do it in this where I track it through so we can see what's going on. Now, at 9 o'clock, it was actually had signs of sell. And it was a bit crap, to be honest. It's now changed into this, which is what we were looking at. And I take it a step further where I will do an overview video so they can see that. That was done at 5 to 8 this morning of what's going on. And then I track them through, okay? So you can kind of see what I get up to. So have a good look at it and a bit of a deep dive into what the chart is up to. Now, this is all part of the tracking that I do for the guys. Now, the next part of this is understanding where I'm going to get my trade. Now, the general consensus of this is to the upper side, so I want it to be pulling back on itself. Now, it's only a 4-pip trade, so if I measure 4 pips out, you can see that I've got enough space, enough headroom to get this trade. Now, in order to make the trade better, what I can do is let it come down and actually pick up extra orders as it goes, with the initial order being 4 pips. Now, it is ready to pretty much rock and roll. The signs are there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it down into 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the upper point is there, but there seems to be a cluster point here. So I'm going to start the orders around the top of that body because all of them 4 are running. Okay. So we'll just drop that in. We're not going to get major shakes out of this trade. But 20 quid's 20 quid. Doesn't matter which way you cut it. You're going to get £20 out of it. So this video is more for consistency than anything else. All the breakdowns are inside of the squad if you want to come and join it. But let's play it out and we'll see. I'll put a quick little interlude on so you can see where my small accounts are from. It'll run into this particular trade and then I'll come back to you at the end with a little bit of advice. And I'll kind of break down the trade as to where it came from. Okay guys, a quick interlude. Because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in, and also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US, so you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got C Trader, and you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through. £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader, and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video. Okay, kids, that's complete. Make certain to get my tickets out. And bash. There you go. So, why was it low target? What was it I was doing? Well, first of all, I was doing it because I was requested to do it. I don't go at the charts willy-nilly. If it's a major euro-dollar cable, pretty much always have a go at it. Now, I also go through a sequence all the time. I do multi-time frame trading, or all time frame trading. I don't look at a single time frame. That's just dumb, you know. You need to build a narrative. So if we looked at that narrative and I said to you, is that market going up or down? Well, it's naturally going up. So that's building a picture to start with. If we start pulling this out further, you'll also be saying, well, yes, that is pretty much going up on this particular leg. Now, there's other areas to be cautious with. Now, you can see a definitive top, a definitive bottom. It's broke through the 50, which is what it's done. It's holding above that 50 for a long sustained period of time. Therefore, I'd wait to the upper side. And as you can see, I've just taken profit in and around where the candle is now. It lines up with a higher time frame Fibonacci. Then all you needed to do was drop it down into 15 minutes to show signs that it was going to be breaking out. And then just target effectively. Now, I do a targeting through looking at the ATR and seeing what the chart is willing to give at any one time. And at the moment, it was only really willing to give about 4 pips because its ATR on the day is so low. And if you look at it, it's not really rattling through. It took it a long time to get there. In fact, it's taken it 35 minutes to move 4 pips. So this market ain't rattling at all. So that's it. So that was for you, Jack. Hope that helps. Keep them coming. Like I say, I'll track anything that you guys want. And I'll do the breakdown before I go to market. You'll see where all the levels are. You'll see how the direction was found. You'll see where the targeting system is. And then you can also work out whether or not it's worth taking, yes or no. Very, very simple. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed. But above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.